Anlin Windows and Doors is a leading window manufacturer of energy-efficient replacement windows and doors headquartered in Clovis, California. Anlin Windows are available for homeowners across the United States through its vast dealer network. The company manufactures all of its products and specializes in window and door replacement services. Anlin Windows are available primarily in vinyl and can be used for both window replacement and new construction purposes. The company offers windows in the following styles: single hung, double hung, bay and bow, awning, casement, slider, picture, garden, and geometric shaped windows. All windows come with a double lifetime warranty. Anlin Windows Reviews maintain an average score of 91% across several online review sites. This equates to a 4.55 out of 5-star rating on average, which is excellent. Recent customers have most cited high-quality products and affordable pricing as the primary reasons for choosing Anlin Windows for their window replacement project. In terms of pricing, Anlin Windows are generally priced in line with other major window brands, but pricing does vary based on the size, style, and features of the window selected. For more replacement window reviews and detailed pricing information on the leading window brands, please visit us at preeminent today.